Today we talk about how can you figure out this solution or know how you can do that on your Roblox app. All you have to do in the first, you just go down, click on more down here. When you click on more, it's going to show for you a list like this here. Then you just scrolling down here into your phone settings, click on it. So then it's going to take you to this list here. Click here on privacy and content restrictions. Then you just switch into open video here. So then it's going to show for you like this here. Then you just click here on communications. Sorry, we will go back. Sorry, you click here on visibility and privacy service. So I'm going. When you click here on settings again, you click here on privacy and content restrictions. Then you just switch into open video here. So then you click here on visibility and privacy service. Click here on visibility here. So then here can you select who can see your current experiences and join you. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.